Aisha Sultana. I am currently pursuing a applied nutrition public health from KV Ranga Reddy Degree College for Women, Santosh Nagar, Hyderabad. I create this poster for the awareness of the cancer. So, what is cancer? Cancer is the originated by the cells and the classified based on the cells. There are different kinds of cancers, carcinoma, blastoma, and the leukemia, and the different kinds of treatment for the cancer. So, like chemotherapy, hormone therapy, radiation therapy, and different kinds of therapy. This therapy only occurs when the symptoms of the cancer is firstly and the show in the first. If the cancer is began and the become more and more, this treatment can't be applicable for them. Cancer is the one of the most deadliest disease in the humankind. It knows no boundaries. Cancer is not a modern disease. It has existed many years ago and till now. Cancer is the most formidable adversary for the modern medicines. To kill the cancer, we should be cultivating awareness. Awareness is not only the information, but it also is the empowerment for the people. For we have to know the what is the symptoms of cancers, and we should know the what is the tools for we can get the cancers. There are nine causing cancer atoms in our homes. Many people are unaware of this, like plastic bottles, plastic containers, and the most common thing is the refined oil we use in the cooking. And many people don't know because of the refined oil we get cancer, and the scented candles and many other things we use in the home, and we don't know because of that we can face the cancer problems. So and the many symptoms of the in the men's, in the women's, in the children shows. In the men's, abnormal of lump, indigestion. In the women, pain in the pelvis, constant fatigue. And in the children's, constant brain headache, and the brain tumor, leukemia, and etc. To avoid the cancer, we should accept to some habits. For our habits to avoid cancer: avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, avoid less exposures of sun, avoid harmful chemicals, avoid harmful chemicals, and etc. Thank you.